Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day here for Tesla, and didn't really follow the markets because the markets as a whole had a very nice bounce back. But this Tesla, while the markets were bouncing, Tesla was still drifting downwards. Now, to be fair, late day today, yeah, Tesla's showing some signs of strength. But regardless, market didn't really, or Tesla didn't quite keep up with the markets today. But let's get some levels of support and resistance here mapped out, as I'll definitely be watching this very this chart very closely with a couple of these levels. And that first level that really stands out from the breakout standpoint, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you a lot of people are going to be watching that 452 mark. And while there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, my point here is that it's more than rational to think that if the price works its way up to 452 and then gets a break up through it, that break in and of itself could certainly produce quite a bit of upwards buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but a more than valid thought to be having. If the price can push up through 452, next key level of resistance after that point would be up there around the 456.50 mark. So you'd want to keep a close eye on that also. Now, on the flip side of things, and I'm actually very interested and curious about this level moving forward, but it's this level of support down here at 443. And again, same logic as before, nothing is guaranteed, but definitely more than valid to think that if the price does drop down to 443 and then falls down below it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So you'll want to keep a close eye on that, assuming the price, turns back around. But as of right now, the price is much closer to potentially getting the breakout right there than any sort of breakdown on the chart. But overall, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch here headed into Friday. So let's see how Tesla decides to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.